Oh, so there you are. Hello, guys. Did you say to make some glow slime today? Yeah, great. Perfect. Then let's start by choosing the first color. Okay, pink? I love this color. Now we need some water. We add about the same amount of white glue. Then we mix well, and it's time to put neon pink paint. Wow! It is so beautiful. After you have mixed, add a bit of this. Yes, shaving cream is perfect. Do not be afraid to add a generous amount. With that, the texture of the slime will be super fluffy. I did a little too much, so I pour everything into a larger bowl before proceeding to the last step. Finally, just add a little laundry soap. Let's see how it turned out. Oh yes, we have slime. Let's make the rest of the colors. Ta-da! I really love the green. It looks like the orange fits perfectly with this sweater. This slime is really elastic, and it is the perfect texture. Hey, should we test it with black lights? Oh yes, let's go, let's go. I cannot wait. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and we turn on the black light. Wow! Look how flashy the slime is. It's crazy. Hey, your sweater also shines. Yes! Okay, let's play a game. Which slime will hit the table first? Go! Come on! Go down faster, come on! Pink is going to win. Arg, mine isn't moving. Oops! Yes, I won! Bravo! That's it, the green is finally stretching. There you go. Let's make a nice colorful drawing with the slime. A sun? Flowers? And there, it is finished. That's really wonderful. Hey, what are you doing? You want to play? Hold on. I mixed the colors. Look how beautiful it turned out. Wow. Super fluffy. And you? Which color of glow slime do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. See you next time. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. Today, we'll show you cool balloon hacks. And maybe a prank. I am making a surprise for my sister, but I can't find a ribbon. I'll have to find some. I am making a surprise for my sister. Do you know where the ribbons are? No, sorry. Oh, okay. I saw this ring the other day and thought my sister would love it. So I am making her a confetti balloon present. Fun, right? I put the ring inside a see-through balloon. Then add some confetti to hide the ring. Now blow up the balloon and voila! I think she will really like it. Hi Mike, do you know where the ribbons are? Ribbons? How about using long balloons? These long balloons are really stretchy. I'm sure you can use it as a ribbon. You know, that just might work. I got my balloon ribbons. Now for my sister's present. I'm making an anti-stress ball using a balloon and toothpaste. Pour the toothpaste into the balloon. Now close the balloon, and you're finished. Squeezing the anti-stress ball will help you relax. Cool, right? Sometimes screws break or get dull. Whatever you do, you just can't get them out of the wall or a fence. You know, I almost forgot. If you use the balloon on a dull screw, you just might get it loose. Look, it worked! It's finally time to try out my balloon ribbons. The balloons are so stretchy that they easily go around my present. Let's add a balloon flower. All done! What do you think? Hi, Mike. Look, I was going to put our drinks in the cooler, but we are out of ice. It's all good. I think I know a hack for that. We can use balloons. Yeah, great idea. We just fill our balloons with water and pop them into the freezer for a while. So did the balloon ice work? It sure did. Now our drinks are ice cold. My sister is coming. Quick, hide my present. I got you a present. For me? Why, thank you. Open it. What a cool idea for a ribbon. Wow, an anti-stress ball. Thank you so much. And I have a surprise present for you too. For me? Why, thank you. Aw, how adorable. Thank you so much. Why don't we go for a drive? Sure! I'm feeling a little sleepy. Look, she is asleep. Hey, do you want to play a balloon prank on her? Hey! You guys! So what's your favorite balloon hack? Let us know in the comments. Did you know that you can make your own gum? Hey, watch it. That's enough, Millie. Here, would you like some gum? Yes, please. Oh no, the pack is empty. Don't worry, I have plenty of gum. Aw, not again. The gumball machine isn't working. I know what to do. Come with me. We are making our own bubble gum. I can't wait! Our bubble gum kit comes with the gum base, flavors, sweeteners such as sugar, corn syrup. Now let's make some bubble gum. We start by putting 2 tablespoons of gum base into our bowl. We then cover the gum base with water. Great job! Now we use a microwave to soften up the gum base. Always get permission or help from an adult before using a microwave. Now we remove the water. Stir the gum base until it is smooth. If the gum base is too hard, you might have to put it in the microwave again. Add 2 teaspoons of corn syrup to the mix. Ugh, the syrup is really sticky to my spoon. Now let's choose the color of our bubble gum. Which one should we pick? Yellow, blue, perhaps red, or green? Let's try blue this time. Now we'll add the flavor. I'm choosing blueberry to go with our blue color. Finally, we add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. This makes the bubblegum sweeter but also much less sticky. Add more sugar if 2 tablespoons isn't enough. And now our bubblegum mix is complete. That wasn't hard at all. Look how stretchy it is. Cool, right? Let's roll up our bubble gum and make gumballs. Just make a roll, cut it into smaller pieces, and roll them with your hands. I can't wait to taste our bubble gum. All done! Too bad our bubblegum machine is broken. What? It works after all? Oh well, we have our own gum now. That is so good. I think Millie wants some bubblegum too. No, those aren't for you, Millie. We hoped you liked this video. Which color gum would you have chosen? Let us know in the comments. See you soon. Bye-bye.